what you do is you open up your settings by pressing, I like using the short key, that's the keyboard short key of alternate and P. So once you've opened up the settings, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll down until you see, let's go down until you see site settings. So once you see site settings, this is site settings under privacy and security. So you scroll down to you see additional permissions and you click on the arrow to open up additional permissions and you will see clipboard. So click on clipboard. Now normally sites usually read your clipboard for features like keeping the formatting of text you copied. Now we have the default behavior you can set, which is settings that sites automatically follow when you visit them. Now if you want sites to be able to access the text images on your clipboard, leave this on, marked actually. But if you do not want to allow sites to see text images on your clipboard, you click on this. You can also customize the behavior, that is, choose a custom setting instead of the default settings for maybe a particular site or particular group of sites. For example, you want to add sites and not allowed to see your clipboard no matter the default behavior, click on add, for the site, click on add again, and they'll be added here. Now if you want to add some sites that you want to be allowed to see your clipboard, to read your clipboard information, whether your whatever, no matter the default behavior settings you've made, then you click on this add and you add it here. It's as simple as that. For example, as you can see, I've added one which is Canva. It's allowed to see my clipboard no matter what. If I want to remove it, I just click on the three dots by the corner. I can block it, edit it, or remove it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.